Have you ever had that moment when someone offers you gum, not because they're kind, but because your breath needs help? Bad breath, also called halitosis, is something most of us face at some point in our lives. But here's the good news: the tiny spice sitting in your kitchen, cloves, could be the natural solution you've been looking for. In today's video, we're diving deep into how cloves help fight bad breath. By the end of this video, you'll never look at this humble spice the same way again. Before we understand how cloves work, let's take a closer look at bad breath itself. What is bad breath? Halitosis. Persistent unpleasant odor from the mouth. Affects 1 in 4 people worldwide at some point. More than just embarrassing, sometimes linked to health issues. Causes of bad breath. Bacteria buildup in the mouth. Poor oral hygiene. Dry mouth. Strong foods like garlic and onions. Smoking and alcohol. Dental infections, or even digestive issues. The science behind it. Bacteria break down food particles. They release volatile sulfur compounds, VSCs. These compounds create the rotten egg or foul smell. Now let's meet our hero, cloves. These are dried flower buds of the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. Cloves have been used for thousands of years. In ancient China, people chewed cloves before speaking to the emperor. In medieval Europe, cloves were as valuable as gold. And in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, they've been prized for their healing powers. Nutritional and chemical composition. Rich in eugenol, antibacterial and antiseptic. Contain flavonoids, tannins, antioxidants. Provide manganese, vitamin K, and other nutrients. How cloves fight bad breath. Antibacterial action. Eugenol destroys odor-causing bacteria. Works against Streptococcus mutans and Porphyromonas gingivalis. Odor neutralization. Clove oils reduce sulfur compounds. Leaves mouth fresh instantly. Saliva stimulation. Chewing cloves increases saliva. Saliva naturally washes away bacteria. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces gum swelling and infections. Cloves versus mouthwash. Mouthwash masks odor temporarily. Cloves attack the root cause. Now let's look at practical ways you can use cloves to get rid of bad breath. 1. Chewing whole cloves. Take 1 to 2 whole cloves. Chew slowly for a few minutes. Don't swallow the bud, just let oils coat your mouth. 2. Clove tea rinse. Boil 5 to 6 cloves in water. Let it cool. Drink or use as mouth rinse. 3. Clove mouthwash. Add 2 to 3 drops of clove essential oil to warm water. Gargle 30 seconds. Do not swallow. 4. Clove and mint freshener. Mix ground cloves with dried mint. Carry in a tin. Chew after meals. 5. Clove and cinnamon spray. Steep cloves plus cinnamon sticks in hot water. Strain, cool, pour into spray bottle. Use as natural breath spray. Cloves are powerful, but remember, moderation is key. Dosage and caution. 1 to 2 cloves per day is enough. Excessive use may cause mouth irritation, burning, even liver damage. Who should avoid? Pregnant or breastfeeding women. People with bleeding disorders. Children under 12. Cloves is a solution to bad breath. Not a replacement for brushing or flossing. Best combined with proper oral hygiene. So the next time you're worried about your breath, don't rush for expensive sprays or chemical mouthwashes. Just reach into your spice rack and grab a clove. Remember, bad breath doesn't define you. It's just your body's way of saying something needs attention. And cloves, well, they've been nature's secret remedy for centuries. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Fresh breath is just a clove away.